Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Negative sentences. Read and compare these sentences. Note the difference as I speak them. I am ill. I am not ill. He is my son. He is not my son. These flowers are beautiful. These flowers are not beautiful. Hari was busy. Hari was not busy. These boys were present yesterday. These boys were not present yesterday. Learn and remember. A sentence which has not in it is called a negative sentence. The sentences in B have not in them. They are all negative sentences. Now compare these sentences. She has a pen. She has no pen. They have a ring. They have no ring. He has some money with him. He has no money with him. Learn and remember. A sentence having no in it is also called a negative sentence. The sentences in B have no in them. They are called negative sentences. Look at some more examples. We shall go there. We shall not go there. I am going home. I am not going home. He is coming here. He is not coming here. The boys are playing in the park. The boys are not playing in the park. He was talking. He was not talking. They were sleeping in the open. They were not sleeping in the open. From the above sentences, it is clear that when the verb is made up of two words, we form the negative sentences by putting not after the first word.
Match the negative sentence with their positive pair in the table. The window is open. The window is not open. They were laughing. They were not laughing. The guests are coming. The guests are not coming. Ajay has eaten something. Ajay has not eaten anything. I am free today. I am not free today. Match the negative sentence with their positive pair in the table. Seema has broken the vase. Seema has not broken the vase. Father has left for office. Father has not left for office. Madam Arora is taking the class. Madam Arora is not taking the class. The house is united. The house is not united. Sujata is a foolish girl. Sujata is not a foolish girl. Turn the sentence into negative sentence using does not with the verb. Satish has good manners. Satish dash good manners. Does not have good manners. She goes to the gym daily. She does not go to the gym daily. Jaya sings sweetly. Jaya dash sweetly. Does not sing. It makes me happy. It dash me happy. does not make me happy. It rains daily. It dash daily. It dash daily. It does not rain. Turn the sentence into negative sentence using does not with the verb. The black horse goes fast. The black horse does not go fast. Geeta plays hockey. Geeta dash hockey. Geeta does not play hockey. It gets warm during the noon. It dash warms during the noon. Does not get. The maid does all the work. The maid dash all the work. The maid does not do all the work. The garden blooms in the summer. The garden dash in the summer does not bloom.
Interrogative sentences. Let us learn today about different kinds of sentences. First, read these sentences. Sita has a doll. Has Sita a doll? The first sentence simply tells or states something. Such a sentence is called a statement. The second sentence asks something. Such a sentence is called a question. Note that at the end of the second sentence, a question mark has been put. We will now practice how we make question sentences. You must notice which words changed their place. I am ill today. Am I ill today? He is busy now. Is he busy now? The doors are open. Are the doors open? Bali and Harish are brothers. Are Bali and Harish brothers? She was present yesterday. Was she present yesterday? You were ill yesterday. Were you ill yesterday? Rama has a watch. Has Rama a watch? She had no money in her purse. Had she no money in her purse? We shall play the match tomorrow. Shall we play the match tomorrow? They will visit Delhi on Wednesday. Will they visit Delhi on Wednesday? Learn and remember. In statement sentences, the noun or pronoun comes before the verb I am, he is. In the question sentence, the verb is put before the noun or pronoun. Am I? Not I am. Is he? And not he is.
Match each statement with its question. It is raining. Is it raining? They are working. Are they working? I was ill yesterday. Was I ill yesterday? Sumit as a pet dog. As Sumit a pet dog? Father is at home. Is father at home? Match the negative sentence with their positive pair in the table. The dog is a faithful animal. Is the dog a faithful animal? The children are making a noise. Are the children making a noise? The house is locked. Is the house locked? Ajay is happy with his performance. Is Ajay happy with his performance? We are disciplined. Are we be? 'We 'disciplined'? 'We 'disciplined'? 'Are we 'disciplined'? 'We 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 'discip In row A, statements are given. In row B, question are given. Drag that have changed places in the box. I am busy today. Am I busy today? Am I? He is unhappy. Is he unhappy? Is he? Rani has a bag. Has Rani a bag? As Rani. Ranjan has a no mother. As Ranjan no mother? As Ranjan. You were absent yesterday. Were you absent yesterday? Were you? In row A, statements are given. In row B, question are given. Drag that have changed places in the box. She has a loving family. Has she a loving family? As she. Ravina is late today. Is Ravina late today? Is Ravina. The lights are on. Are the lights on? Or lights. Shamli and Shubhara are sisters. Or Shamli and Shubhara are sisters. Or Shamli. She is hospitable. Is she hospitable? Is she?
Questions and
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.